Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is, the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, also TV unit on the front wall, and we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the dining counter with 4 chairs and also kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So we have a bedroom. You can see here the bed arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached powder room with this room. You can see here the water closet and the ventilator for ventilation of this powder room. If we go on the left side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.